Oh Lord, save me. When my heart is shaking, come and hold me. You're my shelter, you're my healing in difficult time. Oh Lord, save me in difficult time. Oh Lord, save me. When the night is heavy, come and stay with me. You're my comfort, you're my strength, King, in difficult time. Oh Lord, save me. When I cannot pray, you pray for me. When I lose my way, you carry me. When I cannot stand, you stand for me. Jesus, Jesus. When I cannot sing, you sing